Nothing elicits deeply meaningful memories like a favorite family recipe. Maybe it's your Nana's broccoli salad or your Aunt Rhonda's lemon meringue pie. It might be the red sauce from the old country your brother's perfected or your sister-in-law's homemade rolls fresh out of the oven. As families come together again after a long time apart, the holiday season presents an opportunity to reconnect and forge new bonds. One way to connect with family members past and present, near and far, is through food. Pull out those old family recipes and plan time to recreate them when you're all together. Involve younger family members in the preparation. The kitchen's a great place to share memories of the people and events those tastes and smells invoke. If you've got a copy of a favorite recipe in the handwriting of a family member, take a photo of it and upload it to their profile in your online family tree to preserve for generations to come. And if you don't have a copy, use it as an excuse to start texting around the family tree to see who might have inherited Grandma's recipe box. It might not surface, but some wonderful memories and reconnections just might. And that's Genealogy in a Minute.